Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn RSI. So I hope everyone knows how to install the data from Wire Finance. For this video we will be taking Vanguard's data from this start date to end date, and this is the first video of starting the technical indicators. So RSI basically tells us about the momentum of the stocks rising or falling. So if you take a stock for a certain day, it is very volatile. But in RSI, we take a period of 14, 7 or 28 or more, depending on the type of trader you are. So from that, we can get the proper pattern in the stock's momentum and get some output from it. For finding the RSI, you basically need two things: price of the RSI for that period and the period that you will be taking. Period also depends on the type of trader you are. If you are a scalper who likes to take short profits in a certain day, many short profits, then you might take 7. If you are a long term, 28. If you are somewhere in the middle, 14. That will be 2 weeks of trading sessions. Also, if RSI value has a range from 1 to 100, where if it goes above 70, it is overbought and a major correct down may come in the market, and everyone will be selling. It is not a short rule, it is a helping hand that it might happen. So you may consider it, but it is not like it is going to happen for sure. Sometimes it may not. And if if the RSI is below 30, then the stock price is oversold. Major bounce back is going to happen. So you might want to buy it. So that's enough of theory. Let's start coding. But before that, I want to just introduce you. The J. Wallace Wilder is the creator of RSI. He's the one who created it. And also, if you take a long period, you will get a more smoother RSI behavior and not very sensitive or fast. More smoother RSI means that there are more prices of input for the RSI to make that chart. So from that we get more smoother and more perfect RSI. Let us now design the code for it. So we will need to first create the function for it. We will pass down the price, then period of 14 days for our convenient, and delta here is nothing but price difference price change for that day. And then we will be finding high, sorry, not high, it is gain and loss. So how you will find gain and losses? You will take simple moving average of the price change that we found just now, delta. So delta, where delta is greater than 0,0 is our input. Next, rolling, here we will put our period. We need to input window is nothing but the period, and we will get mean of it. So in original formula that Wallace Wilder gave, it is exponentially moving average, but for this video we will be taking simple moving average, and the formula for loss is same, but here it will be negative. And in the RSI formula we don't want negative value, so we'll put a negative sign here, so we get a positive value. Then okay, so now let's find RS. RS is gain divided by loss, and RSI till here we have found our value that we need to see momentum of stock, but it may differ for different stocks. So to put every stock's value in a proper range, we will put it in a 1 to 100 range. This is the formula for it. You don't need to memorize it, you can find it on the internet. This is the formula, and yeah, this is done. Just return the value and it won't run. We need to first run all these things. let's see, then this, then this. So until this are loading, I will just tell you some things. Okay, it is done, I guess. Okay, done. About the exponentially moving average, even if you put exponentially moving average, there won't be much difference. But the major charting platforms like Bloomberg or TradingView, they use that in their formula. So it is advised to use that only. So now we will just data. We will need to put our values that we found, the RSI value, in our original data, that is here. There is no RSI column, so we will just input it, RSI, RSI, then this. Then now we will call our function RSI and give the price. Price is nothing but adjusted close, ADJC. This is it. It ran. Now we will data dot drop NA. Now we will try to print it. Yes, you can see we get RSI value, and now we will try to plot it for your convenience, so you all can see what exactly is happening in the data. Make sure to put the proper column name, RSI, and then it is dot plot, and give it a title, anything you want. For this, let's give it RSI of. So this is the RSI of Vanguard that we have found. Above 70, you need to sell, as you can see. And if the RSI value goes below 30, it is oversold. As you can see, if whenever it goes below 30, there is a massive overbuying. So this is the behavior that market follows, but not always. You cannot always depend on one technical indicator. So uh, whenever you are creating a strategy, you need to take mixture of multiple technical indicators. Like with RSI, you can take MACD to get proper trend of the stock, and you can generate buy or sell signals with it. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will be learning Bollinger Band. And if you like this video, make sure you like it, and make sure you share it with your friends who want to get into this field and learn this basic things before getting into the complex things that will also be covered in this channel. So make sure you all subscribe it, and thank you.